morning, class. Welcome to today's session. As I can see, you are all in present. So for the previous session, we looked at data, and we said that data refers to the raw facts which do not have much meaning to the user. We looked at types of data. We talked about the primary data and the secondary data. We say that the primary data is the type of data collected by the researcher himself, and we also said that secondary data refers to the type of data collected by someone else, such as data in the books, the magazines, the journals, and in the periodicals. So for today's session, we are going to look at sampling, and the learning outcomes include, by the end of the session, the learner should be able to explain the meaning of the term sampling and also identify different types of sampling. So let's start from the definition of the word sampling. Class, who can try? Yes, Joyce? Yeah, that's very good. As Joyce has said, sampling refers to the process by which you select a group of people from whom you will collect your data during your research. So, there's a video I'm going to show you. You are supposed to watch the video and also identify the different types of sampling that are there. So, for the 2 minutes, let's watch the video and identify the types of sampling. Please try to note something down. Let's start. Yeah. Okay, I think you are almost finishing. 1 more minute. Okay. By now I think you are through. For the next 2 minutes, go into your groups, discuss with your colleagues what you have come up with, and please make sure you note down something. And everybody, make sure you participate in the discussion, because everyone will be giving in inputs. Continue discussing. 1 more minute. Okay. By now I think you are through. Okay, group 1. Give me your input. Yes, Joshua? Okay. Joshua said that they discussed about 2 types of sampling. 1, yes, Joyce? Yeah, that's very correct. Joyce discussed, said that they discussed about the probability type of sampling. What about it? What about the probability type of sampling? Yes, James? Yeah, that's very correct. So, for the probability type of sampling, this is the type of sampling where every member in the population has a chance to be selected or to participate in the research. So, this kind of sampling has other 4 main types of sampling that include the simple random sampling. So, for the simple random sampling, this is the type of sampling where every member in the population has a chance of being selected or has a chance to participate in the research exercise. So, for the systematic sampling, this is the type of sampling where members are chosen at regular intervals. So, here we see that not all members take part in the research exercise. So, the third one is the stratified type of sampling. So, this type of sampling involves dividing a population into subpopulations. I think that one is easier to understand. The last type is for cluster sampling. So, this is type of sampling. Individuals are selected randomly from the population. So, that's all about the probability type of sampling. Group 2, give us your inputs about the type of sampling you identified. Yes, Maggie? Okay, that's a nice one. Maggie has said that they identified the non-probability type of sampling. Who can tell us about the non-probability type of sampling? Yes, Mike? Okay, that's great. Mike has said that the non-probability type of sampling is a type of sampling where individuals are selected in a non-random way. So here, in the non-probability sampling, not every member has a chance to be selected or to participate in the research exercise. That's very correct. So in this type of sampling that we call non-probability, it also has its types. The first one include convenience sampling, the quota type of sampling, and the purposive sampling. So that's all about the types of sampling. So for your assignment, you are going to look at the importance of various types of sampling. So we have looked at two types of sampling. That's the probability and the non-probability sampling. So your assignment is to go and explain the importance of each of these type of sampling. I think it's clear up to that point. So do the assignment and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.